English for everyday situations. Let's go. In taxi. Could you take me to the airport, please? Could you take me to the airport, please? How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there? Can you drop me off here? Can you drop me off here? Please keep the change. Please keep the change. Is the traffic bad today? Is the traffic bad today? At the shop. How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in a larger size? Do you have this in a larger size? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Where's the fitting room? Where's the fitting room? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? At the café. Can I get an ice latte, please? Can I get an ice latte, please? For here or to go? For here or to go? Can I have it with oat milk? Can I have it with oat milk? Do you have anything vegan? Do you have anything vegan? That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. at the restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? The food was delicious. The food was delicious. At the airport. Where's the check-in counter? Where's the check-in counter? What time is the boarding? What time is the boarding? Can I have a window seat, please? Can I have a window seat, please? Where's the baggage claim? Where's the baggage claim? My flight got delayed. My flight got delayed. At the hotel, I have a reservation under the name Nora. I have a reservation under the name Nora. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Can I get an extra towel, please? Can I get an extra towel, please? Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Can I extend my stay for one more night? Can I extend my stay for one more night? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.